Now, I should mention, I recorded this before hitting 5,000 subscribers, so if the number is still 4,9 something, welcome to the both of you. I am thrilled, humbled, absolutely ecstatic. Thank you. Right, the channel is about 5 seconds old and it has been, if I'm honest, a little bit all over the place. Gear reviews, philosophy, a man in a toga, a K-camper, an elderly camera. Nobody asked for any of this, but you're here, so I'm asking, what would you like to see more of? 4 options. Gear and reviews, cameras, lenses, all things that shouldn't work but do. Occasionally, I'll sweat through my shirt in an overheated apartment and shout at you about megapixels, or walk backwards into a railway crossing. Philosophy and ideas, big questions about creativity, commitment, and why you should probably go outside more. Possible side effects include me in a toga, a kimono, or if the numbers are high enough, me in a skirt pretending to be Marie Curie Skłodowska. You have been warned. My legs are not a selling point. Challenges and projects. The Ohenro pilgrimage is happening already, whether you asked for it or not. But in theory, everyone loves a kindergarten field trip, until the kid walking behind you starts scraping your Achilles with his shoe. On purpose. For fun. Or something new. Or maybe all of the above. Which means you trust me. Which is either very kind or a serious lapse in judgment. Tell me in the comments. I'll read all of them, reflect on them deeply, and then probably do what I was going to do anyway. Happy Easter. Yay.